Content posting schedules are important for any company that relies on a steady stream of content to attract their target audience. The length of the schedule will depend on the amount of time your team has to create content, how often you want to post, and how many social media channels you are using. There are two main types of content marketing strategies, known as push and pull. Push is when companies post regularly with little variation in their content. This strategy requires a lot of work but can be effective if it's done well. Pull is when companies post less often but vary what they post. This strategy requires less work but may not be as effective if it's not done well. Welcome to WeGotMedia. We are a multimedia agency that offers professional services and training in all areas of digital media such as graphic design, video production, audio production, and digital marketing. This channel is dedicated in providing free informational tips and easy tutorials on how to make digital content using various software in the digital media space. We all have busy lives. Sometimes it's hard to find the time to post content on our social media profiles. The good news is that there are plenty of scheduling tools out there that can help you with this. Here are some of the most popular ones. Number 1. Hootsuite. Hootsuite is a social media management dashboard that helps its users to manage their social media accounts from various platforms. It has been around for about a decade and has been helping people to schedule posts, monitor their social media activity, and engage with followers. Hootsuite is primarily used for Twitter and Facebook posts. It's an easy-to-use dashboard which comes with pre-built templates for posts on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and YouTube. Number 2. Buffer. Buffer is another social media management company that specializes in scheduling social media posts. Buffer has a free plan which allows users to schedule up to 10 posts per month on Twitter and Facebook. They also have paid plans which offer more features such as analytics and detailed reporting, post templates, and more. Number 3. Social Flow. Social Flow offers a number of other features such as analytics, targeting, and optimization. This tool is a social media management platform that helps companies and brands to manage their social media presence on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. Social Flow has an AI writer that is specifically designed to generate social media posts. It uses natural language processing techniques to understand the text of posts and then generates copy that sounds like it came from a person. The AI writer will keep your brand's voice consistent by generating text that sounds like it came from someone who works for your company. There are many ways to post content on a regular basis using a scheduler, and some of those ways are: 1. You can post at the same time every day, or as close to that as possible. For this you will have to schedule beforehand for daily postings. 2. If you want to post on a different schedule, then you will need to change your posting settings in order to do so. 3. One of the most popular ways is to set up an editorial calendar and plan out your posts for the next few months in advance. 4. Another option is to set up an RSS feed and let it automatically post content for you at certain intervals. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more informational videos related to the media industry. See you in the next video.